In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Premium, new mind-blowing AI features. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and hit enter. From the results, click the official Grammarly website. Let the page load completely so the dashboard and AI tools initialize correctly. This helps ensure every button and panel appears as expected. Once you're in, create a fresh workspace by choosing New Document. This opens a clean editor where Grammarly's premium checks and AI features can analyze your writing in real time. Now type or paste your text into the editor. You'll see basic spelling and grammar flags, but Premium adds deeper suggestions around clarity, tone, and flow, along with AI-powered rewrites. Before reviewing suggestions, set the right context for your writing. Open the Goals panel and select Academic. This tells Grammarly you want a formal, evidence-based style with precise wording and a professional tone, perfect for research papers, reports, or any text that needs an authoritative voice. Click Done to apply those preferences so all recommendations are tailored to that style. Next, look for the prompt labeled Increase the Impact of your text. This is one of Grammarly Premium's AI enhancements. It analyzes your sentences for wordiness, weak verbs, and unclear phrasing, then offers refined versions that are tighter and more persuasive while preserving your meaning. Click it to see proposed improvements. When you find a change you like, click Accept. The editor will instantly apply the revision to your document. Keep going through the recommendations. Do this for all the suggestions so you systematically strengthen clarity and tone throughout your piece. Accept them one by one. Taking a second to verify each change still sounds like you and keeps your intent intact. If a suggestion doesn't fit your argument or style, simply move to the next one. The goal is to elevate your writing, not to make it generic. As you work, notice how Premium surfaces advanced insights. Things like sentence structure balance, academic formality, and conciseness that go well beyond basic grammar. The more text you review, the more consistent and polished your document becomes. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Grammarly, opened the Grammarly site, created a new document, added your text, set your writing context to academic, confirmed those settings, increased the impact of your text, and accepted the AI-powered improvements one by one across your draft. Follow this flow whenever you want fast, high-quality refinements powered by Grammarly Premium's latest AI features.